जय माँ भारती। समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। I heartily welcome you to the PMA Samachar channel from the international world. History of China. The earliest known written records of the history of China date from as early as 1215 BC from the Shang dynasty during the king Wu Ding Zhejiang, who was mentioned by the 21st Shang king by the same. Ancient historical texts such as the Book of Documents, the records of Grand Historian, and the Bamboo Annals mention and describe a Jia dynasty before the Shang, but no dating is known from the period, and Shang writing do not indicate the existence of Jia. Relations between contemporary China and India have been characterized by border disputes resulting in three military conflicts: the Sino-Indian War of 1962, the Chola incident in 1967, and the 1987 Sino-Indian skirmish. In early 2017, the two countries clashed at the Doklam Plateau along the disputed Sino-Bhutanese border. Country Army will be deployed in Ladakh sitting on advance first. Education. Karnataka second PUC result will be released today. Sacramento's daughter is coming forward in Patna zone. 74.57% students will be passed. Environment. The Dudhwa National Park is a national park in the Terai belt of marshy grasslands of northern Uttar Pradesh, India. It stretches over an area of 490.3 km square with a buffer zone of 190 km square. It is a part of the Dudhwa Tiger Reserve in the Kheri and Lakhimpur district. It is located on the Indo-Nepal border in the Lakhimpur Kheri district and has buffers of reserved forest areas on the northern and southern sides. Invention. Radar is a detection system that uses radio waves to determine the range, angle, or velocity of objects. It can be used to detect aircraft, spacecraft, guided missiles, motor vehicles, weather formations, and terrain. A radar system consists of a transmitter producing electromagnetic waves in the radio or microwaves domain, a transmitting antenna, a receiving antenna, and a receiver and processors to determine properties of objects. Great person. Guru Gobind Singh was born on 22nd December 1666. Gobind Rai was the 10th Sikh Guru, a spiritual master, warrior, poet and philosopher. When his father Guru Tegh Bahadur was beheaded for refusing to convert to Islam, Guru Gobind Singh was formally installed as the leader of the Sikhs at age 9, becoming the 10th Sikh Guru. His four sons died during his lifetime, two in battle, two executed by the Mughal army. Among his notable contributions to Sikhism are founding the Sikh warrior community called Khalsa in 1699 and introducing the 5Ks, the 5 articles of faith that Khalsa Sikh wear at all times. State. The history of Kashmir. In 1339, Shah Mir became the first Muslim ruler of Kashmir, inaugurating the Shah Kashmir dynasty. For the next 5 centuries, Muslim monarchs ruled Kashmir, including the Mughal Empire, who ruled from 1586 until 1751, and the Afghan Durrani Empire, which ruled from 1747 until 1819. That year, the Sikhs under Ranjit Singh annexed Kashmir. Crops. Okra or okro. Ambelmoschus esculentus, known in many English-speaking countries as lady's finger or okra. is a flowering plant in the mallow family. It is valued for its edible green seed pods. The geographical origin of okra is disputed, with supporters of West African, Ethiopian, and South Asian origin. The plant is cultivated in tropical, subtropical, and warm temperate regions around the world. Fruit: the pumila, or in scientific terms Citrus maxima or Citrus grandis, is the largest citrus fruit from the family Rutaceae and the principal ancestor of the grapefruit. It is a natural, that is, non-hybrid citrus fruit native to Southeast Asia, similar in taste to a large grapefruit. The pomelo is commonly consumed and used for festive occasions throughout Southeast Asia. Flowers: Ceranthemums, sometimes called mums or ceranthums, are flowering plants of the genus Ceranthemum in the family Asteraceae. They are native to East Asia and northeastern Europe. Some species originate from East Asia and center of diversities in China. Countless horticultural varieties and cultivators exist. Yoga: Dhanurasana is a back-bending asana in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga as exercise. The health benefits of Dhanurasana: improves posture, strengthens the back muscle, stimulates the organs of the abdomen and neck, stretch the entire front of the body, ankles, thigh and abdomen and chest. Universe: the Rann of Kutch is a large area of salt marshes that span the border between Pakistan and India. It is located mostly in Gujarat, India and some parts of Sindh, Pakistan. It is divided into the Great Rann and Little Rann. Maths: a circle is a shape consisting of all points in a plane that are given distance from a given point, the center equally. It is the curve traced out by a point that moves in a plane so that its distance from a given point is constant. The distance between any point of the circle and a center is called the radius. This article is about circles in Euclidean geometry, and in particular the Euclidean plane except where otherwise noted. Ayurveda: Ocimum tenuiflorum, commonly known as holy basil or tulsi, is an aromatic perennial plant in the family Lamiaceae. It is native to the Indian subcontinent and widespread as a cultivated plant throughout the Southeast Asian tropics. Tulsi is cultivated for religious and traditional medicine purposes and for its essential oil. It is widely used as a herbal tea, commonly used in Ayurveda, and has a place within the Vaishnava tradition of Hinduism in which devotees perform worship involving holy basil plant or leaves. Prima Lok Mission School: the students of Prima Lok Mission School of Standard 9th, a girl, Smriti Rani, in science got 91% and Keshav Rathi 94% in commerce. Village town Gaya is of historical significance and is one of the major tourist attractions in the southern part of the state of Bihar. Gaya is 116 kilometers south of Patna, the capital city of Bihar. It is the state's second largest city with a population of 4,70,839 and is the headquarters of Gaya district and Magadh division. The city is surrounded on three sides by small rocky hills: Sringa Sansthan, Ramshila and Brahmayoni, with the Phagulam river on its eastern side. Today's event: 1771 Foundation of the Mission San Antonio de Padua in modern California by the Franciscan Frere Juniper Serra. 1789 French Revolution: citizens of Paris stormed the Bastille. 1791, the Presley riots drive Joseph Presley, a supporter of the French Revolution, out of Birmingham, England. 1853, opening of the first major US World's Fair, the exhibition of the industry of all nations in New York City. 1865, first ascent of Matterhorn by Edward Viper and party, four of whom die on their descent. Weather news in Jharkhand, 15 July, rain will come, and in Bihar there is possibility of rain. Today's temperature in Patna 30 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 33 degrees Celsius. The Pokhran 2 test were a series of 5 nuclear bomb test explosions conducted by Indian at the Indian Army Pokhran State Range in May 1998. It was the second instance of nuclear testing conducted by India. The first test conducted, codenamed Smiling Buddha, was conducted in May 1974. The test achieved their main objective of giving India the capability of build fission and thermonuclear weapons with yields up to 200 kilotons. The then chairman of the Indian Atomic Energy Commission described one of the explosions of Pokhran 2 to be equivalent to several tests carried out by other nuclear weapon states over decades. Subsequently, India established computer simulation capability to predict the yields of nuclear explosives whose designs are related to the designs of explosives used in the test. Pokhran 2 consisted of 5 detonations, the first of which was a fusion bomb, while the remaining 4 were fission bombs. The tests were initiated on 11th May 1998 under the assigned code name Operation Shakti, with detonation of the 1 fusion and 2 fission bombs. Now the pronunciation of some words. First word is JIF. It's just JIF, not JIF. Second word is liable. It's just liable, not liable. Second word is fought, not 40. Today's for that's all. I take for tomorrow leave. Stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।